Good morning everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video I'm going to be doing a vlog because I haven't done a vlog in a while, and you guys know I love doing vlogs. And today me and my cousin she's already in the car, are going to visit my other cousin at her house. And yeah, we haven't seen her in a while and we just wanted to chill together, see each other. So it's going to be a nice girly vlog, spending time together, and I thought I'll take you guys along with us. So right now we're about to drive to her house. My camera died, so I'm having to vlog on my phone, apologies, but it doesn't look that bad. What do you guys think? I feel like my phone actually looks kind of nice.
You talk about your lashes.
Oh, and these lashes, guys, right? My cousin just reminded me. My lashes are a different style from what I normally do. I got them from a present from my cousin Michelle, and I don't know whether they're me. I feel like they're so dramatic. Normally I am into dramatic lashes, but I go for like fluffy dramatic lashes, and these are more like spiky dramatic, and I don't know whether they suit me. Oh, okay, what do you guys think of the lashes? Do they suit me, or what do you think?
I told her they actually look nice, different, in a nice way.
Okay, they're growing on me though. I feel like the more I'm looking at myself with these lashes, I'm like, okay, they're not that bad, they're kind of cute. And finally, in about God knows how long, I finally got my car washed, the inside. Guys, you know, with the pandemic and lockdown, car washes were closed to like get your inside of the car washed, and my car was it was not cute up in here. So now my car, she cute. Bonnie's looking all cute and clean. I love that for her.
Smelling so good.
Literally. So we love that for me. Guys, no, I actually really enjoy driving long journeys. So I just get in my zone. Oh, do you want a coffee?
Yeah. Starbucks.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what I was about to say. You see this girl, she's so bougie. She's like, Starbucks, nothing but Starbucks. But I'm not even a coffee drinker. I'm one of them people who likes frappuccinos, hot chocolates and stuff like that. So that's what I get. But we're gonna put some music on, vibes, and get driving. Anyone who knows me and who's ever in my car knows that I literally put the heating up to like 28 degrees when you're in my car. It's like a sauna in here. I've arrived at Starbucks. I'm gonna get something. I don't know what I want yet. I think I'm gonna get a frappuccino if they have any. Do you know what you're gonna get yet?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get chicken and avocado wrap.
Avocado wraps.
Thank you.
Thank you. One frap. Oh, that looks so good, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. She cute or whatever. I'm so excited to try this cookies and cream frap from Starbucks. I've never had it. I feel like such a Starbucks babe now with my little cookies and cream. How's the chicken and avocado wrap? It looks very healthy. Healthy, but is it nice is the question. She doesn't seem like she likes it.
For something that looks this healthy, it's okay. It's not so bad.
And Starbucks food is expensive, boy, because all of this costs £14.
What?
Yeah. Guys, look at Becca's hair. Look how nice it is.
Oh yeah, my hair. It was a task
to get it that slick.
Workout.
Like, because she's got natural hair, slicking it back was literally a mission. I was so impressed at how slick she got it. We finally arrived at my cousin Michelle's house. It was actually a quick journey. We traveled, I think, how many? 45 minutes?
45 minutes.
Yeah, so it was a 45 minutes journey, and we've just got here and we're just waiting for her to come and get us. And this Starbucks cookies and cream, I absolutely thoroughly enjoyed it. It was so nice. I would give it a strong 7.5 out of 10. I think the one that I make at home is nicer.
Yeah, I would even give it a 6.5.
You didn't like it that much?
It's
What you
okay,
don't really
but
like?
I feel like a proper milkshake, or a proper cookies and cream milkshake would even taste better than this one.
You don't like the bitterness?
No.
Okay.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, here she is. Hello.
Why are you guys still in the car?
It's raining.
Yay.
Thanks, Marie. I'm going somewhere. I'm going out the house. You look nice. We just got to mini golf. I'm with my cousin Michelle.
Hi guys.
Who we've come to visit. So we're gonna do some mini golf.
So we're gonna see who's the best. Obviously, it's gonna be me.
Okay, we'll see. Did you hear that, guys? She thinks she's gonna be the best. This is such a lovely location. My cousin lives like in Leeds area, and they have like so many hills and mountain and countryside areas near where she lives, and it's really nice. The sun's finally came out, so my cousin was laughing at my outfit saying, where are you going in this cold? But the sun's finally out, so you know my outfit matches the weather. Let's get going and play some golf. This is a place that we're playing golf at. It's called the Old Barn. So some outdoor seating areas. It's actually so cute, the outdoor seating area that they have at the Old Barn. Do you know how to hold a golf stick?
I think I have an idea.
Why
Your
not?
camera
Go on.
holder.
Hey, well done. Wait, that was better. That was better. For a sexy, show us how it's done. I hope she misses. I hope she...
I think this is the tallest.
Okay.
Yeah, you can try that one. You're supposed to bend down a bit.
Go on.
You know, yeah.
Back on a step, back a bit, guys.
In case that golf stick goes off her head. Wow, okay. Sorry, sis. That was a good one. She seemed like she's already winning.
Guys, what did I say? What did I say?
She said she was going to win. But it's just the start, yeah?
First round, I'm already on the
Beginner's
lead.
luck. It's the beginning.
It's called talent. You know, talent.
Alright.
Okay, go on, sis. Go on.
Show us them skills. Them skills. Show us them skills.
Go on.
So my cousin Michelle is trying to teach me this dance called Jagger. What is it? Jagger Bop.
Poco by Meadows the Jagaban.
Okay, so show us how it's done first, and then I'll show you guys me trying to do
And
it.
then we'll train.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do the lessons.
Okay.
Yeah, come on.
That's alright. What are we doing?
You're filming us.
Right.
Time to do the Jagger Bop.
Right.
Okay, so this is the lesson.
So we go that. We got.
Now we're gonna speed it up.
Speed it up.
Yes, that's it, guys. Keep going.
Why is she laughing?
You've come to golf to dance.
Go on. Hey, Becca did it then. 3, go. The second one. First time, lost that one.
Now you'll get it.
Yay!
Yo, show it off today. To show off today. So guys, we finished our golfing game, and of course I won. I won. I'm joking. Michelle won. Like she said it. Oh, I didn't show you guys my new car. Car review coming soon. Nah, soon come. Speak it into existence. But anyway, Michelle won the golfing game.
Manifestation, guys.
Manifestation. Hi guys. So right now we've just got into Leeds town centre. We're in Trinity. In the Trinity. I've never actually been here before, but we're going out for some food. Going Angelica's. It's called Angelica's. Michelle's taking me, but I'm not actually sure where exactly it is. I've never actually been there before. Guys, the confidence levels to vlog in a shopping mall, you have to be an extremely confident person, and I don't think I've got that yet. Girls are dressed really nice. Look at Michelle in her heels, looking all cute and bougie. And Betha, her hair, her outfit, I love it. Now you both look really good though. I was a little bit disappointed with my outfit today. Oh, here's the elevators. Yeah, we're also gonna go shopping later on in Trinity. It's actually such a lovely building. I've never been here before. It reminds me a little bit of Liverpool. Do you know the Liverpool shopping centre? Yeah, they're like, you know, like how it's open. Yeah, like the open spaces. Yeah. Cool. And the place we're going to eat, what's it called again?
Angelica's, guys.
Angelica's. We'll give you guys, it's a rooftop bar, restaurant.
Yeah, it's like British food.
Yeah, British food. And then we'll give you guys a little review of the food and how we think it is.
We're on the ground floor, so I'm guessing we're going first floor.
No. Yo Sushi. I actually can't wait till Yo Sushi opens. If you know me, Yo Sushi is like one of my favorite places to eat. So having it closed is really upsetting. Oh, have you found how we get there? Finally, we've actually found the entrance. We've been walking around Leeds Trinity trying to find the entrance for This restaurant looks so amazing. I love the interior of it. And then we're eating outside on the terrace. That's where the girls are. And here is our table. The lighting is good.
Because of the heating in it.
Yeah. Guys, so we're sat outside on the terrace and it's actually raining today, but luckily we've got a table underneath the umbrella with heating. And we were saying that we were laughing at the meme. Do you know, I don't know if any of you have seen it, but there's a meme that was going around before lockdown opened of a man outside
warming it down,
eating and drinking in the pouring rain, and he did not seem phased whatsoever. He was
literally
just happy to be out.
Right?
If you guys haven't seen the meme, I'm gonna put it up on the screen. And I was laughing, saying that is literally us right now, because it's outside, it's raining, but we're still out, we're still here to enjoy.
We're outside now, guys. You can't be still inside, there's no lockdown anymore. Why are you inside?
Literally. Because like, why are you inside? But yeah, so we're not even fazed by the rain. We're just like, yeah,
to be honest, we're not in the rain, so it's alright.
Yeah, the fact that we're actually under the umbrella is not bad. It's still a vibe. We're sat outside and one of the girls, I'm not saying who, no names, no names, is really cold. She's really cold, so we've gone to get her a blanket from Primark and socks, because yeah, this weather's kind of cold, but I don't mind it. I feel fine.
It's a vibe.
I'm fine personally.
I feel like it's a bit of a vibe, like, do you know what I mean?
Maybe because we're used to the English weather, whereas, you know, my cousin, she's moved from SA, she's still adapting to the UK weather, so she ain't here for it.
Their winter is never winter. Their winter is our summer. Like,
we've just ordered our food.
We've ordered the food. What do we get? Got some seafood, got some steak.
I ordered some lobster. If you know me, guys, lobster is literally one of my favourite dishes or seafood.
Lobster, really?
Yeah, lobster and prawns.
Lobster is my favourite.
Out of all seafood, lobster is not your...
I like lobster, but it's not my favourite.
Wow, I'm shocked.
It's not my favourite. I feel like if I'm having lobster, it needs to be with a mixture of other things. I can't have just lobster. Yeah. I feel like prawns, I could have prawns.
Yeah.
Oh, there is blanket.
No way. Call him.
Oh, let me ring him.
Thanks. Call him and tell him. Thank you so much. My order has a lot of cutlery compared to everyone else's
house. Fucking nice. You even show them the special one.
For the lobster. That honestly looks like a lobster itself. Do you know that the thing that you
No,
use?
not lobster. That's a crab.
Oh
The one that
yeah.
has the
No,
whiskers.
lobster also has the claws. So guys, I ordered this thing called chicken terrain. I've literally never had anything like it.
Drinks are coming.
And it does taste okay, but picture time.
Oh, do you wanna get? Oh, can we get one together? I'm so jealous right now.
Oh, your steak looks good. Oh, that's mine. Yeah, thank you.
I'm not going crazy.
No, it's yeah, we did. Yeah, it's him. It's alright. Thank you.
I ordered the
Chips, did you? Oh yeah, your platter.
Is that for 2 people?
Yeah.
and then it's the oysters.
Ooh, y'all are really doing seafood.
Can you get some ketchup and tomatoes, please?
Thank you.
Right, just one. I ordered.
Did you order another fry?
It comes with them.
So guys, we have finished our food. I personally enjoyed my food. These two and their seafood.
I love it, to be honest. I enjoyed
No,
it.
she was not impressed with her seafood. She didn't realize that it was going to be raw. Michelle,
I loved it, to be honest.
she said she enjoyed it. But yeah. So our dessert has come. This looks amazing. The sticky toffee pudding looks even better. Ooh, she got a brownie as well. And the sticky toffee. Yes. That looks good. Even with the weather raining, we'll still enjoy it. Right, we're done. Finished our meal. We're absolutely dressed. I don't like it. No, like. But yeah, we've had a good time.